What's up, guys? Just want to drop by, give you a little shop update. It is March 2nd, and it's finally starting to get a little bit warm. It was in the mid to high 40s most of the day today, which me just coming back from the beach last week feels cold, but comparatively to how it's been here the last few months, it's warm. So I've been able to work with the garage door open today and pull the bikes out, get some of them started up for the first time this year. But just super excited, more motivated than I've been in a while. Then we also have a TTR 125L that needs a lot of work, needs chain and sprockets. I think it needs a top end. We're going to start working on that here in the next few days too. So, and then of course, this 450 is in good shape, but my other 450 needs top end. So there's plenty to do, and before you know it, it'll be so hot in here you won't even want to be in here. So gonna get out here earlier in the morning, get as much done as I can, and then maybe play some airsoft the rest of the day. This is the 09, what's left of that 09 YZ450. Case busted here. They're going to go ahead and split this just for the crank and transmission. And the inner clutch cover and a few other things we're going to do. And 03 CR 125 case here. Basically have to take out all the transmission bearings and replace them. I know, guys, there's a huge list of stuff. I feel like I'm never going to get around to everything. But we will eventually. Besides that, I've trying to slowly get some of my plaques on the wall. And that's just because it's either hang them on these walls, which still aren't even finished, or throw them away. Because most of them got damaged in the house fire. And they're not clean or nice enough to be in the house. So they either have to go up on these walls or they're getting thrown away, and really paid too much money for them to just throw them away. So we're going to start trying to get them up there. So, but mainly, guys, my goal is to have more motocross related footage on here. Normally, there's a lot more riding going on around here. I want to get a lot more of that on the channel. But I just want to let you know, it's March now, so that kind of stuff is definitely going to be ramping up. We're going to be at Mason Motocross this year, vending, helping out, riding, so we'll have those. We're going to try to hit some mega series. So there is going to be some footage, some trips, some races, some actual race GoPro footage. It's all going to be on here. So stay tuned, man. And if you don't care, hit us a like, comment, tell us where you're from, subscribe, and let's try to build a community. I appreciate you guys.